Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. We'll be unboxing this X-Caddy power meter, a budget power meter in its class, the X-Power S 110BCD 4-volt power meter. So this is on Easton interface. So you can get this one by order through AliExpress or the bicycle accessory store. And this arrived around 7 days from order from China to Vietnam. So off the box, it's a very simple box. It has details here. The X-Power-S Gen 2 power meter spider. The model is Easton 110BCD 4 volts. Alright, let's open this up. So we have the charging cable. We have a specification for torque for each interface of a modular crank. So for this one is Easton, the C-inch, it's 40 Newton meter. For others, like the bolt with the internal bolt interface, it's around 5 to 6 Newton meters. There is a quick tip here, quick tip card about the initial calibration before you ride out. Make sure that during first install or reinstall the spider, you must do a quick and hard ride out of the saddle. It ensures proper mechanical seating and settling to ensure performance is consistent. Okay, that's very important. And then the manual. The quick start guide on how to use your power meter that shows the specification. So the accuracy is around 1%. Some may doubt that, but yeah, as a hobbyist, it doesn't really matter that much. Transport protocol, measure mode, spider, power range up to 2,500 watts. The cadence is around 30 to 220 RPMs. Data support, battery life 50 hours. It's waterproof. App supported, iOS and Android. Charging adapter is provided. Avoid using quick charge adapters. So getting the app, you get the X-Caddy app, and then the X-Power overview, the main point, the LED indicators, charging ports. In the box, it says it should have bolts, and it have the bolt spacer, but this is for MTB and SRAM bolt models only. So off the box, you get the power meter, the cable, and the manual only. The spider installation, there are specifications here for the torque. For Easton, it's 40 Newton meter. The charging instructions. So you use the charging cable, the LED indicators. If it's full, it will illuminate 4 lights. So I already charged it before, so it illuminated up to 4 lights, and steady light when you do the upgrade mode. So charging complete, the 4 lights, otherwise it will be blinking. The sensor ID location is also stated here, how to wake up, and the power meter will sleep after 2 minutes of not working. It also says how to pair your bike and pairing your device with the app. And then the last page covers the reminder again to perform initial calibration, to do a hard ride out of the saddle before the calibration process. Okay, this is the power meter itself. So as indicated, this has the Easton interface. Make sure when you order the spider power meter, you know exactly the interface for these modular spider crank. So you have 4 bolts, 110BCD for Shimano interface, and it has the logo here, X-Caddy, and the charging port. Has the QR code for the manufacturing tracking. And at the back, there are some like emblem, or I don't know if it's sticker, but it looks to be laser printed. There's the Bluetooth, ANT+, CE, the ID of the FCC, some quality control checks, do not throw in the trash bin, and then the X-Power logo. Yeah, I think this is laser printed. Okay, so overall, this is the power meter Spider by XKD. Let's weigh it out. So the power meter itself, it's 109.3 grams. So in perspective, a normal Spider with no power meter is around 43 grams for the 12 speed, around 55 grams for the 11 speed for Shimano. Carbon normal Spider is around 27 grams, 25 to 27 grams. Okay, so those are the contents of this power meter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.